Hi guys, so today I will show you how to make a ring holder or a jewelry holder or whatever you want to put in there with air dry clay. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday or once a week for sure. So I'm going to use one of these tools, one or two of these tools, and some air dry clay, terracotta air dry clay from Crayola, and I'll show you every step of the way. And if you also want to connect with me through other social media like my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, all that information is in the description box below for you. So then let's get started. So there you go, and now I will put polyurethane on it so it becomes waterproof and you can use it to hold anything like not just jewelry or whatever little things like paper clips or whatever you want on it. And this is how it looks, and I did put a dried flower on there as well and stuck that to the container as well. And if you're liking this, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you like this as a drawing or want to see products on it, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below for you. And now I put some next videos for you to check out as well, including air dry clay playlist where you can find other air dry clay things that you can make. And don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or once a week for sure. And I hope you have a great day. And if you have any comments, questions, or if you want me to draw something next time, let me know in the comments below. If I can do it, I will do it for you. So then have a great day. Bye.